So hello guys, welcome back to JEC, which is JavaScript Even Grammar. Our main focus is to teach the newbies how to use JavaScript to program, okay, in such a way that even your grammar can be in our class and still understand whatever knowledge we are sharing with together. So we are a group of people. I have with me one of our members whose name is Dixon with me. So along the line, Dixon will be chipping in and he'll be asking questions just to help you newbies, right? So today we are looking at a problem that I came across during my search. I was doing something for a project for a colleague, and I have to. There's a problem that I'm supposed to. There's a particular function that he needed. He needed me to pull out the days of the week. Okay, he wants me to display the days of the week on his website, which is going to be if today is Tuesday or Wednesday. If today is Wednesday or Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. You want to see Tuesday on his page, right? Something like that. So how do we pull these days, okay, from our date object? There's something we call date object from JavaScript. So we will start by checking what we have in our date object. So when you say var, typical example is when you say new and you bring, sorry, this is lowercase. So when you say new and you bring date, okay, this is what we call date object. It gives you today's date. So if you can see, you have today's date over there, which is what? May 10th, right? And the year is 2020, and we have a time. So look at it down there, you see it. So this date object gives you today's date. It gives you the current date and the time and everything. But looking at it very well, it seems you cannot read it very well. So there's a lot of methods on this date object that can help you get it display very well for you, or you can make sense of it, or to be very meaningful for you. One of them is to local string, which we can even attach to this, and it will give you what a clear understanding. So we can see to local string, right? Okay, and it will give you a, I think I have a typo here. Here's supposed to be E, right? Good. So you can see it's giving you a very good format. So it just formatted today's date and the time for you. So we know that, okay, today is what, 10th May 2020, and we have our time over here, right? 22, which is about 10:35, and then seconds will follow, right? So very simple. We can use all these methods, okay, to get our date format. There's another method. There's a couple of them that I want us to have a look, okay? But before that, I just want us to put this in a variable like we always do. Let's put this date in a variable. Okay, so let's call this one var, and then let's call it today, right? Let's call this one today. Okay, so that we can at least display our today here. Console.log of today. Okay, so today, right? So that will be very simple for us. So we know our console.log is down there. So whatever we do up here, it will take effect, all right? All right, so now that we know that we can put local to local string to give us a very nice format of our date, let's try and check what else do we have. We can just take off this and try another thing, something like this. Another method called get date. Let's see what we have in get date before we even get back to this problem, okay, which is pulling out the day of the week from the date for method, right? But before that, let's see what we can get from this. So we have another one called get hot date. So there's a method called get date, and let's see what we have. We have 10. So it's giving us what? The date of today's date. So get date will give us what? Today's date. That's date for the day to give you what? The date for the day, right? So this one method that is supposed to put in your head. I think I can just keep them up here for reference, right? Okay. So get date, make sure get date will give you what? Date for the day. So let's make it a date for the day, something like that. Right. This one will give you date for the day. Something like that. Okay. There's another method that I want us to look at, which is what? Another one. Let's get day, right? Another one called get day. This is the one that we wanted to focus on. Get.
Okay, so I think dots. Yeah,
that's right. And you see, get date is giving us what? 2, right? So why is the get date giving us 2? But before that, I want us to just let's have a look at the year before, because our main focus will be on get day. So let's try and get the year first. Okay, so get full what year method, which will give you a full year, which is 2022. Okay, get full year is giving us 2022, right? So I think we can keep note of this and get back to we can get back to our get day, right? Method. Should be cap. Okay, we call something 10. Okay, so it should be cap. So get, then the day is supposed to be what cap, like this, same way month and date, and then the full year is capitalized the same way. So now that we have get date, okay, get date is giving us 2. Okay, so and today is what? Tuesday. All right, and let's look at the days of the week. Let's see the days of the week. I think we started from Sunday, right? So let's get the date of the week. Let's put them in an array. That will be very simple for us, right? Okay. So let's say var, okay, which will be equal to week. Days, right? Let's make it weekdays. Okay. So we all know that weekdays start from Sunday, right? So let's say Sunday. Okay, let's bring a comma. And then let's say Monday, another comma. Okay, so let's have another one, Tuesday, a comma. And another one called Wednesday, right? I'm having a typo here. Wednesday, right? Then we have on my Thursday, right? Very good. Then we have Friday. Okay. Then after Friday, we have Saturday, right? Saturday, right? Okay. So let's see. Now that we have our date object, which is giving us get day, get day, and it's giving us 2. Okay.
Okay.
That very well. 2 is giving us 2. So what is 2? That is what we're supposed to have. Anytime you see 2, or when you say get date and give you any number, it tells you that it started from 0. Okay, it started from 0 to 6, right? So 0 will be for Sunday. Okay, Monday will be 1, Tuesday will be 2. Okay, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, 5 will be Friday, then 6 will be Saturday. So that is what he's giving us. So how do we pull these days and display them on our website? It's going to be very simple for you, because we've already gone through this by using their index. You know, every array has an index. So it will be very, very simple for you to go. It's very, very simple for you to just list out all these days somewhere in your function, okay? Then use what we call index, okay? So you have to use the index, which is going to be today, okay? And it will tell you that, oh, today is Tuesday. I hope it makes sense, because this date object dot get day is giving you a number, but that number doesn't. What is 2? We don't know what 2 is. Okay, so for you to pull out the exact day, okay, of the week, you're supposed to put all the weeks, all the days in an array like this. Okay, so once you get the number, you can just use the index. Use it as an index, because all of them is an index. It's giving you a number, and you can just pull them like that from the date object. I hope it makes sense. I don't know if the approach doesn't make sense, but this is what I did when I was working on that project, that he needed to display the day. So I was trying to use this method, get the day, which gives me a number. Then I'll use the number to pull out from the array that I've listed the days of the week on. I think it's very cool and very simple and very short introduction to your dates object. Yeah.
Thank you so
So
much.
guys, I think this is very simple. just list out your days over there according to your time. I think we all know that weekdays start from 0, and DateObject give us numbers. It doesn't give us days. It doesn't give you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, it will never give you, but rather gives you what numbers, which is started from 0 to what 6. Okay. So 0 will be Sunday, and the 6 will be Saturday. So once you have these numbers coming through today, then at least you can just use it as an index to pull the day. I hope this makes a lot of sense. So guys, you can just watch the code and then practice it, and let's see what you also come out with. Thank you guys.